You don't need Kontakt or expensive libraries to get a rich dynamic piano in Ableton, you just need Sampler, and the grand piano preset is a perfect starting point. Open it up, then head into Zone View. You'll see multiple samples mapped across the keyboard. These are velocity layers, quiet notes, medium hits, and full force strikes, all spread across different dynamics. Now add round-robin samples so that even when you play the same note twice, it won't sound the same. It's subtle, but it makes your piano breathe. Take it further. Route velocity to the filter cutoff for brightness control. Add a looping volume envelope to sustain the tail naturally. You can even use LFOs for gentle pitch drift or stereo movement to mimic analog warmth. This isn't just playback, it's performance. It feels like you're playing a real piano because Sampler treats each note like a living event. You're not just triggering audio files, you're shaping an instrument that responds to how you play. Want to master Sampler and other tools in Ableton Live? Comment Ableton and we'll DM you the link.